Hi, I'm Megan. Today we're going to perform an ear cytology on this dog. Now he's got a little bit of black goo in his ears and he's been shaking his head. So what we're going to do is just take a cotton tip applicator and I'm going to get down in his ear canal and just gently get a good sample. That was his right ear that I got this sample from. So I have my slide and I've labeled it with an R. And I'm just going to take my cotton tip applicator and I'm going to roll it across the slide. And now I've got a good slide here that I can stain and look for bacteria or yeast. And I'm going to perform the same thing on his left ear. So we moved into the lab and I have my slides here and I'm going to heat fix these samples. So I have my lighter. You just want to kind of gently wave it over your sample. I don't want to cook anything on there. I don't want to burn the slide. I don't want to burn my fingers because I get it so hot. You really just want to wave the flame underneath it, kind of seal things on there with the heat. So I'm going to do that with the left side as well. You often will get just a little bit of soot on the back side of the slide. You can either wipe that off with a paper towel or a gauze square. So next I'm going to stain these. I'm going to stain them in our right stain. To speed up the drying process, once the slides have been rinsed, you can just run a hairdryer over them. Again, you don't want to affix it on there and burn up your sample. Then I'm going to take my sample over to the microscope. And starting under 10 power, I'm just going to quickly scan my slide here. And if you're looking for parasites such as ear mites, you will be able to see those under 10 power. So then I'll move to 40 power, and then eventually, when we're looking for yeast and bacteria, I will look at this under oil on our 100x. So looking at this cytology, I only found some waxy debris and a couple epithelial cells. I did not find any yeast or bacteria. So this dog does not have an infection. He just needs to go home with more regular ear cleanings. But that's how we perform an ear cytology.